In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I like to base my quilt tops down before I begin quilting. There are many different ways that people do this. I am not going to change my stitch length on my machine. I'm going to leave it at its normal 12 inches per stitch. When I first start, I start from the bottom side, I work my way across the top, and then I go down to the bottom of the other side and sew up. That way, if there's any fullness in your quilt, it stays in that area and you don't have a big whipple rave at the end of your quilt. What I do to pull up my bobbin thread so that it's up at the top and I don't have an ugly spot on the back is I hold down my needle up, needle down, so that I get a full revolution. I then pull my bobbin thread and my top thread to the top and put them neatly to the side. I do put my needle in the down position before I start quilting. And then I press my start button and I sew up the side. I am giving my batting a gentle pull away from my needle to help sew my quilt top down a little flatter. Now I'm going to come off my quilt, go down my batting, and I'm simply going to hop back onto my quilt and sew up. And that is how I like to tack down my quilt tops.